for a milk run. And a bunch of convicts even do this. Looks like an exploding bulldozer went through here. I can't turn back. Beast needs those antibiotics.
You hear the sound his head made when the big guy hit him?
Like a bug on a windshield.
Splat.
All 'cause he...
What was that? Need to distract him. Hacking apps should work.
Could have been the wind. Hey!
Okay, that did it. Should be able to hop that wall. Medical containers in that tent. Maybe this will be easy.
See the way he came through here?
Gauze,
Guy's like an animal.
iodine, but no antibiotics. I need to keep looking.
Both of them are. Glad they're on our side.
You two, get over here. All right, already.
Hey! Who's there? This can stop right now. Just give us the locations and schedules for your
More
supply.
supplies over there. Need to get past these guys.
Give us the locations and schedules for your supply lines.
Why are the super dudes so set on taking out these relief centers? Can't afford
Something about Osborn. We want to show how weak he is, that he can't protect the city.
What's that? Sounds like a lot of drama. As long as they let us keep all the supplies we find, I don't care.
Yeah, man. This stuff will be worth a fortune on the black market. Come on, let's keep
Another
digging
supply.
through it.
Gotta avoid that sniper.
I heard that.
Oh boy. Better not try to short us. Better not try to...
Relax.
That's just what they say when they're trying to short.
More supplies. Oh, come on, Crate, be the one. Amoxicillin. Perfect. That is a damn large man. I found the exploding bulldozer.
Supply routes and schedules. Now! Я сказал!
Gentlemen, I apologize. My associate is inelegant. He doesn't understand the fine art of persuasion.
Did not need to see that.
What was that?
Check it. Now.
Don't think he saw me. Time to get out of here.
Whoever is here, come out! I have not time for this.
That tunnel.
We are having fun with lights now? I will have fun with your pain. Come out! And I promise not to crush you.
Please don't see me.
Where are you? Play no games with me.
The way forward is right past me.
You test my patience.
Wait for it.
Out! Now! I do not need this!
Go. close to the exit.
No more games! You!
Oh, man. Okay, I gotta get out of here.
No hiding!
Maybe if I get up there, I'll be safe.
When I find you, I will crush you!
That container.
Yeah!
That's my exit. Need to get him to clear the opening.
Go out! Ah!
Go, go, go.
Yeah! It is case of goose! I hate case of goose!
Okay, so let May know I have these.
Get off me!
Just give us the wallet! Give it us, man!
Help! Hey, leave him alone!
Big mistake, kid.
You can't just push people around like that.
Or what? Like this?
Haha. Kid's got guts.
Hip squared.
What the hell's he saying?
Not gonna be saying anything in a second. Oh! Whoa.
You want a taste?
Nah, I'm good, kid.
You want a taste? I gotta work on my fight banner.
Miles? Hey, I've been trying to reach you. You okay?
Hey, so, don't freak out, but, I gotta fill you in on some stuff.